Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today, we're going to discuss our top five picks for the best budget gaming microphones available right now on the market. For this video, we're going to utilize Amazon. So, all of these microphones are available at Amazon, and most of them are $100 below. So, it's budget friendly. And at the same time, these are the high quality that you can get right now on Amazon. So, starting with number one, our top five pick is Razer Serene Mini USB condenser microphone. So this microphone, it's perfect for both streaming and gaming. And the best part about this is it's small, meaning if you're just starting out like as a gamer or if you have a minimalist setup, definitely this is perfect for you because it's easy to hide from the camera and at the same time it's powerful enough to do the job or to get the job done. Razer is a very well-known company when it comes to creating gadgets and peripherals for gaming and for streaming. So this is they in terms of branding, they are really known for gamers. So again, with this microphone, it helps you reduce background noise. It's perfect for minimalist setups and it can be easily hidden from the camera. And it's only priced at $50, but currently it's on a 27% off discount. So you can get this for only $36.27. Not bad for a deal if I were you. Next up, we have Logitech for Creators Blue Yeti USB microphone. So this one is perfect for gaming, streaming, and podcasting. It has four polar patterns, meaning it can be set up in different directions. And at the same time, the best part about this is it has advanced voice modulations. It offers an onboard audio control right here. You can see it right here. So here, if you click on mute, automatically it mutes the microphone. So there's no need for you to like switch applications to mute the microphone. You can mute it directly. So it's very helpful for beginners, for beginner streamers or beginner YouTube video makers. At the same time, it can also increase and decrease the volume thanks to the volume knob right here. And there are no latency in terms of audio recording. So if you're going to use this for audio recording, definitely there will be less to zero delays in your voice. So it's capturing real-time voice into the recording. Then for our third pick, we have Audio Technica 80-2020. Now there are a lot of expensive Audio Technica microphones, mainly because one of the main features of this microphone is the brand itself, Audio Technica. Audio Technica is very known for its microphone and headsets. It's in that industry. It focuses mainly on those industries, voice and sounds. And this microphone in particular, it offers a dynamic range, meaning it can pick up sounds from a really far distance. But at the same time, it reduces the sounds from the sides and the rear. So, for example, if you're talking right now, it won't pick up the rest of the sounds in the environment. It's just picking up what's in front of it or what's currently louder than the rest. And again, with Audio Technica, it has improved voice isolation. So that's its top feature. So this is perfect for home studios or well, it's ideal for home studios. So if you're a starting streamer or a YouTuber, definitely this is the microphone for you. For our fourth pick, we have here SteelSeries alias USB for PC. Now for this one, SteelSeries, again, very popular in terms of the gaming community. It's been used by many bloggers. Usually, its headsets are its top sellers. But for this one, for this microphone, it's an advantage mainly because, well, it's currently priced at $90, 89.95. But with 89.95, you get an AI noise canceling feature. So that's really helpful, especially if you don't want to like edit the recording or edit the videos, or you're just too lazy, or you don't know how to set up noise reductions before starting out the video. You can just plug in and play. That's the main advantage of this microphone. It's plug and play. There no need for you to customize it because AI noise canceling is already installed in the software of this microphone already. Plus, it adds on a little bit of an LED feature. So if you're planning to expose this on your camera or on your video, then definitely it'll be pleasing to look at. And the design is actually very futuristic as well. Plus, this one is unidirectional, meaning it only has one polar point. So if it only picks up the noise that is in front of it. So that's really, really helpful. So whenever you're talking, it just picks up your voice. And that's it. And for our final pick, although this is ranged a little bit higher than the rest with $120 or 119.99, we have the HyperX Quadcast 2. HyperX, very known microphone for gamers. In terms of gaming microphone, HyperX is top tier. It's on top of the food chain, so it has similar to that of the Logitech Blue Yeti. It has an onboard audio controls right here. And on top of that, apart from the onboard auto controls that allows you to control the loudness of the microphone, it also has this feature right here. If you can see on top of the microphone, you can actually tap that and automatically it mutes the microphone. How cool is that? So it's very easy to mute the microphone. And at the same time, the best part about this is it has a four polar pattern, meaning you can set it up in any way that you'd like. If you would like it to pick up the sounds just from the side, it can do that. If you want to pick up the sound from the rear, it can do that. If you want it to pick up the sound just in front of it can do that as well. And another thing that's really helpful with this microphone is it has a customizable system or software, what it calls as HyperX Ingenuity software. So you can adjust the microphone monitoring system. You can tune your microphone based on how you like and the lighting as well. So it has an all around lighting system that's really cool to look at, especially if red is your color. But definitely, it looks like this. It has a removable shock mount, but the shock mount itself is another advantage because some microphones you have to buy the shock, but for this one, the shock mount is already included. And yeah, those are just some of the effects that this microphone has. Definitely the best one out there. You can use this not just for PC, you can use it for Mac, PS5, PS4, and anything that it can attach with a USB-C or a USB cable. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.